Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you a quick review of my new mobile holder. I got this holder from the app Meesho and it costed me around 231 rupees only. I couldn't upload the unboxing video of this, so I'm just giving you a quick review of it. So as you can see, it came in a very good packaging with a box and an inner covering with it. And now as you can see, the holder has a very good and a tight base.
By creating an imaginary picture,
I really love the way it worked out to me, and the texture of this is extremely very good. It could literally carry my mobile for almost an hour continuously. And it helped me a lot in my Zoom classes for today. Thanks for the Meesho app for providing deliveries during this pandemic even. Through this app, you can receive your orders in a week. I really love this mobile holder. If you wish to buy it, I will link it down in the description box below. Please go and have a check. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.